Hey, hi friends, hi everyone. I hope all are doing well. So I am Saswat Das. I am working as a senior software engineer in one of the IT firms. So today I am bringing you the topic regarding the chartered accountants, how they are doing frauds while you are trying to file your ITR through them, right? So this is a very important topic, but I don't think people are covering it in YouTube videos. I never found it, and yeah, even I am also part of that. Someone did some fraud with me, so I thought of sharing my experience and sharing how my hard-earned money just went in vain. Around 20,000 I paid to my chartered accountant, and I did not find any result actually. So I'll discuss through all of these details. So please bear with me, and maybe this piece of information will be very helpful to you, because this is the end of the month of May 2024, and in June and July 2024 we are going to file the ITR for the financial year, that is 2024-2025, right? Sorry, I think 2023-2024 we are going to file the ITR. So yeah, I thought of sharing this piece of information with everyone, so that no one should face these chartered accountants who are doing frauds, or even I don't know if they are the chartered accountants or not, but so I found someone. So let me tell you about my experience, right? So generally I do file my ITR by myself. I just go to the IT portal and I do it myself for every year. But for the last financial year, right? So I thought some of my friends or someone, actually he suggested, yeah, this guy who is doing very well, and he is filing for me around last 2-3 years. I never find any issues and all, and he's also able to pull a good amount of return, right? So I thought, okay, then let's give it a try, right? But yeah, truly speaking, I never ever did this. I was trying to do the ITR filing myself. So this is the first time I went with the CA. I don't know the so-called CA. I don't know if he is a CA or not. So yeah, this is how it happened, and this guy gave me a quotation that whatever the amount he is going to get me a refund, he will charge me around 8% or something like that, right? So I asked, so are you going to provide the documentation and all, so that it will be helpful, or how do you claim these amounts, right? Then he told, yeah, I said, this is how we take care, this is our job, we are the chartered accountants, so yeah, you can trust on us, and all those discussions, right? Everything happened, yeah, that is fine. So yeah, he filed the ITR, and I received the return, and all of a sudden in the month of April last, right, by the end of April I received a notice 1336. I think the income tax, some sections there, I received a notice from the income tax department, that this is how you have claimed your taxes and all. This is how you have claimed your deductions and all, and we need the document proofs on it actually. So then I reached out my CA, and I showed him the message actually. This is the summon I got, or this is the notice I received from the income tax department, and can you please help me on that? I have paid you an hefty amount. So this is, I think this is my thinking, right? This is the time he should act. Because if you want to file an ITR, right, so it doesn't take much time. I think it is already pre-filled for you. If you want to, according to your form 16, it is already pre-filled for you. If there is some modifications you have, you can do it manually by yourselves and you can submit it. I think it will take hardly half an hour if you do any changes. If you don't do any changes, it doesn't take half an hour also. 10 to 15 minutes is sufficient for one ITR filing, right, for any individual. So but for that he charged me around 20,000, and because I thought maybe he will be providing some document supports and all, right? So so the day one when I reached out him, he told that actually, yeah, you don't need to worry. I'm going to tackle this situation. I'm going to take care of it. You don't need to worry. So day two gone. Day three again I reached out. He told the same story. So it is the day 7 actually when you receive the IT notice, right? So they gave you a time period of 10 days. You have to reply back to them with 10 days, actually within 10 days. So either you go for an updated return or you provide all the documents and all. So that is a timeline you have to follow by, you have to abide by. So yeah, so this was the day 7 when I called him and he received, and he is telling all of a sudden, so no need to worry, just ignore the notice. It is happening, it is coming to everyone, just ignore it, just ignore it, just ignore it. So all of a sudden I thought this guy took 7 days and he was telling I am taking care, I'm taking care. So what did he take care this 7 days? And he's saying that this is just you ignore about it. So why should I ignore about the notice? It's an open notice, right? It can come back to me at any point of time within a 6 year or 7 years of span of time, when the notice is started, I think opened. They have the rights, the income tax department, right? So within 6 years they can come back to you anytime, and all the penalties and all, everything will be added on. You have to pay everything, right, if they are coming back. So in this situation, then when I repeatedly tried to reach out the CA and I asked him to go for at least a revised return, right? You go for a revised return, but the timeline was already gone for revised return. You have to go with an updated return. So when you go for the updated return, then again you have to pay a penalty on top of it, right? So somehow after 2-3 calls, that fraud CA, right, he never even received my phone, right? He never even received my phone. I did some messages and all through WhatsApp and all. So finally he replied, you take care of it, you have to pay the penalty, like that he told me. So the lesson I learned here, right? So yeah, just to cut short, right? So the lesson I learned here, so just try to file your ITR yourself, right? No need to depend on anyone. The first thing. The second thing is, if you are going with any CA, right, the first point you should ask the CA, give me your membership number, because in the society now, people, they don't know what is the spelling of chartered accountant and they are calling themselves a CA, right? So please be aware of this, and please stay away of these frauds, and just ask for membership number. You'll see 99% of the people who are calling themselves as CA, they will go away. They will not reach out to you again, because the original CAs, they will give you the membership number. Because why the membership number is important? You are paying you, right? Then there is no reason, right? There is no reason. Let's say I paid that person a 20,000 of amount for a 10-15 minutes of work, and he never helped me. He just he needs around 8 to 10% of cut, whatever he asking, whatever he can refund me the amount, right, from the IT department. He just needs 8 to 10%. Okay, so that's why he filled anything, right? Anything, some rubbish things he filled in my IT return, and he received the 8% or 10%, right? 20,000 he received, and he happily went away. Right, when I received the notice, this is my responsibility again. This is not the CA responsibility. right? He just went away. So yeah, please be aware of this and ask him the membership number. This is the first rule. Without the membership number, you should not go with that person, because if any such issues happen in the future, you can complain to the Institute of Chartered Accountants with his membership number, right? This is the first thing. So you should I think please be aware of this, and don't waste your money with these frauds. Yes, so this is what I thought of. This is a very important message, because the income tax filing a month is coming. I think in the month of June and July, people will be starting the filing. So I thought of sharing this. Yeah, this is thank you for watching this. And if you found this is helpful, please spread it across, please share it across all your friends, and whoever is filing ITR and all, because this is hard earned money, right? People are paying 10%, 20%, 30% direct taxes. Indirect, you just forget about it. So if you love your money, so please ask your CA the membership number. Without a membership number, you should not go ahead with that CA. Yeah, that's all. Thank you very much.